take a look at this one. Just in a unique, especially in classics. 1963 Chevrolet Impala SS two-door hardtop. Now powered by a 350 V8 underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic transmission, also power steering. Has had a repaint to this deep purple metallic. Go ahead and take a look at the front. Bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. If you'd like to check this car out on the underside, interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You see the paint has a nice shine to it. You are going to find kind of a few just hard water spots throughout it, but overall shows well. Nice one to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Door handles have been shaved. It's also riding on air ride suspension. I'll show you the controls for that here shortly when we get around to the driver's side. Custom interior, black and purple to match. I left the glove box door open to show you there is a Pioneer stereo that has been added to the glove box. So your buckets, center console, and in front of that shifter you can see the air ride controls. Show you those closer up when we get around to the driver's side. Once again, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate and call in or email us. See how nice and straight that is down the length of the passenger side. It will also come with fender skirts. We will put those in the trunk. Best way to ship them. And once again, if you want to see the trunk pics, there's a little customization back there too. Check out the still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Rear tail lights. The iconic 63 rear end, the rear bumper. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side of this car. And again, you can see a nice reflection coming off that paint. All right, take a little closer look at this interior. So black carpeting, black panels. And then the two-tone seating area. Vinyl and cloth combination. Rear seats. Headliner. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350. Let it warm up here just a tad, then we're going to slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Now, it does have an onboard compressor. This switch, flip to the right, powers everything. That will let air out, obviously, and you can air back up here. This is a pretty good stance on this car, with the front being in the left controller or the red needle, and usually anywhere up in that 120 range, and then somewhere in the 60, 70 range on the rear, which is going to be the white dial. And you can play around with that, change it up how you want depending on passengers and how you'd like your ride height. As you can see, stereo powered up with the key. All right. Slip around to the back of this, so you can run. Like I said, a little deep rumble coming out of that 350. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, let you check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood pop. 5.7 headers, power steering, tubular control arms. Is running an Edelbrock 4-barrel. Remember, this is a true 1963 Impala SS 2-door hardtop. A little custom look done to it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.